Hey all, how have you been? So this is the second video from our Goa trip series, and today's video is about the lovely stay we had at La Grace Resort and a couple of outings at South Goa. Hope you like it, so keep watching. Our stay at La Grace Resort was booked for 2 days, and I must admit that this was one of the best stays we had in Goa. This property is approximately 800 meters from a private beach and around 1 to 2 kilometers from Benolim and Kolva beach. The resort is quite spacious, clean and in good shape. Staffs were very cooperative, and after providing the welcome drink, they guided us to the room. Life can be torn up, but why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal, you made me so speechless. We had booked deluxe premium rooms for rupees 3,500 per night, and breakfast is complimentary. Rooms are well maintained, and there is a hall, bedroom, kitchen with mini fridge and kettle. The balcony has a pool view, and it's the best place to spend time. We headed towards Benolim beach by late evening and went to the famous Johnsy restaurant to have dinner. Next day morning, we woke up to this lovely view and decided to explore few places apart from beaches. But waking up kids in the morning is a huge task, even during vacation. Now we are on the way to have breakfast, and let me show you some glimpses of the resort. That was spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. What I like most about La Grace Resort is the greenery around. You get to see a variety of plants, and they have maintained it so well. Resort's primary unit is in the other side of the road, and in this resort you get the option to choose 3-star hotels, apartments and villas. Separate kids play area is also there. Another highlight is the service they provide. The staffs are very cooperative and they provide solutions to our problems very fast.
In your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
We stayed here for 2 days and both the days the complimentary breakfast provided was really good.
I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
If you're planning a trip to Goa, I highly recommend you guys to choose this resort since this is one of the best budget resorts out there at South Goa.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of.
After breakfast, kids wanted to play inside the pool. So we gave them 1 hour to play inside pool and made a condition that we will go out to roam afterwards.
I found home in your arms of gold.
The main highlight of our Goa trip is that most of the kids learned to swim under the guidance of our neighbor.
The ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes.
Akshat never went for any swimming classes and was literally struggling to swim initially. But after a couple of attempts, he picked it up and we were quite happy and excited to see him swimming.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up.
By the time we started from the resort, it was lunchtime. And we went to the famous Ritz Classic restaurant, which was just 3.5 kilometers from the resort.
Cause it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul.
We tried the authentic Goan fish thali and it tasted so yum. It's a whole meal for a very reasonable price with all the dishes having their very own speciality.
Arms of gold.
Overall, they serve the best food with the best ambience and best service. So next time you are in Goa, do not forget to visit Ritz Classic.
But why couldn't I simply see that I was secret?
After having lunch, we started to roam around South Goa, exploring churches and museums.
I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones.
By then, kids were tired roaming and wanted to go to beach. So we headed towards Kolva beach.
Remove the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of.
Kolva is one of the most visited beaches of South Goa and is known for its powdery white sands. Kolva beach remains a little crowded most of the time.
In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes.
Later, we went to one of the best bakeries in central Goa.
Doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home.
I really liked the interiors of this place and food was worth the price.
In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the.
That's it for today's video and thanks for watching. So as usual, please do like this video, post your valuable feedback in the comment section below and click that subscribe button to join our YouTube family. I'll see you soon with the third part of Goa series. You guys take care and stay safe. Bye.